Hi there! So last week View launched the 4K Cinema TVs running the latest Android TV 9 OS with built-in soundbar. I made a hands-on video of the TVs at the launch event and I was quite impressed. I'll leave the links for the video in the description, do check it out. So finally we have the 50-inch 4K View Cinema TV with us. Let's unbox it, we'll review it and I'll let you know whether it's worth your buck or not. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. This is your friend Texting. Let's get started. So let's unbox it. Inside the box are two metal stands, screws to mount the stands, an AV input adapter for set-top boxes that don't have HDMI support, so you can use AV composite wires to connect to this TV, a wall mount unit to mount your TV to the wall, a power cord that connects to the power source, instruction guide and warranty card, a Bluetooth remote, batteries for the remote, and it might be not a big thing, but many companies don't even provide for batteries for the remote, and also they charge extra for the wall mount unit, so it's worth mentioning. So let's screw the stands to the TV. There is a rubber at the bottom so they get a good grip on the table. There you go, ready and set on the table. Let's see the build quality. The bezels on the sides and the top are super thin, almost negligible. At the bottom we have a 40-watt front-facing speakers that give you a cinema sound experience, which we shall check later in this video. VU branding and golden border here, Dolby Audio logo on the bottom right. The stands are made of metal and come in rose gold coating, making the device look very premium. The back is made of good quality plastic. Ports on the right are for easy access. Optical audio output, 3.5 headphone jack, AV in, 2 USB ports, antenna, 3 HDMI ports and Ethernet. The TV supports Bluetooth, so you can connect your favorite headphones and enjoy a complete wireless audio experience. So let's have a quick look at the specifications. A55 quad-core CPU, 4K VA panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, 1.5 GB RAM with 8 GB internal storage, 40 watt sound output, front-facing speakers, Android 9 Pie and official support from Netflix and Amazon Prime apps. Let's plug in the power cable and set up the device. Pair the remote, enter Wi-Fi password, enter Google credentials, and you should be ready to go in a few minutes. And there we are booted in, and the first thing we see is that we have Netflix and Amazon Prime pre-installed. Wow, these are official Netflix and Amazon Prime apps. Hotstar also comes along. There's something new that we see here, AI Pond. We'll have to check this out. Yes, we have YouTube, Google Play Movies, the official Google Play Store, and we have something new as the Pango browser. Wow, that's something to check out. And the OS is very responsive. You can see this is the regular Android TV OS that we see in most Android TVs. So let's quickly check out what's new in this. And the first thing we see is the AI Pond. And it shows live TV, media player. This is from where you play your pen drive or files that are there on the TV. Now this is something new. The help mode is now available in the VU TVs, where if you are a first-time user or you are having any problems, you come to this section first, like remote. So if you come in remote, it's going to tell you what every button stands for. If you come into the interface, it's going to tell you how to connect to the ports, to the network, to HDMI, to PCs. And there is also troubleshooting, so regular problems that most people have will be covered in this section. So that's going to be great help. So before you reach to the customer care for any problem, first thing you got to do is come here and find most of your problems, and I'm sure you'll be able to find it here. Alright, let's go back. You have YouTube, that's great. Hotstar, Pango browser. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, this looks a lot like a Chrome browser. So let's go to Amazon. So here you can see this is just like the iPad or a laptop version of the app, and it actually gives you a feel of surfing on the iPad or on the laptop. Wow, that's quite good. So that's a great feature. You can even use Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So basically everything that you do on the browser, you can do it here. Coming to Netflix, we'll check it out later. Multi-screen share. Okay, so for Android users, it's going to mirror the phone to the screen, but the best part is that they have mirroring even for iPhone. This is something we don't see in many smart TVs. So it says go to AirPlay. So what I'm going to do is take my iPhone, come down, screen mirror, and you see Smart TV. Let's click on that. Okay, there you go.
Alright, so it's actually quite good. Latency is okay. Let's open a video or a picture and see. Okay, so the best part is you can even zoom. So this is a video I had shot a couple of weeks ago in Goa, and it's playing without any lag, very smooth. You can zoom, you can watch these pictures. So a very handy feature, I would say.
So let's see how the display performs. This is a 4K YouTube video playing and it looks stunning. Thanks to the VA panel, it produces deeper blacks and more vivid colors. The display supports a refresh rate of 60 Hz, so the videos play buttery smooth. VU Pixelium glass technology enhances light reflection by 40%, giving you an incredible brightness of 500 nits, which is something we don't see in other budget smart TVs. Overall, the display is quite impressive, smooth, vivid and sharp. So here's a look at the remote. It's a combination of infrared and Bluetooth. It's a more regular sized remote with helpful hotkeys. Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, Google Play for quick access. Pause play buttons to control videos. Google Voice Assistant in the center to search for content. Let's quickly test it. What is the weather in Mumbai?
Currently in Mumbai, it's 27 and clear. Tonight, it's
Best Bollywood movies of 2019. Then here is the mute button. Something we didn't care about so much, but since some TV brands don't have it, it's kind of a big thing having it now. So a lot has been spoken about its sound. Let's check it out if it actually stands the test. So I have mixed feelings. Yes, they are 40 watts, they get really loud, louder than you actually want. Trebles and mids are brilliant, clear and crisp. Bass is decent. You can hear the thump, but it's not that deep. It's actually impressive the sound it generates from such small slim design. It's going to be more than enough for a home cinema experience, and of course, if you want, you can connect your home theater system for deeper bass. Let's check out the apps, starting with Netflix. So you have the official Android TV Netflix app. The interface is smooth and easy to navigate. Let's play a movie and see. There you go, plays perfectly fine, and since this is a 4K TV, the app also supports 4K content and it looks amazing. You can add subtitles and audio from the remote. So now let's play a Dolby Vision video. On the right you can see a Dolby Vision icon as well while the video is playing. So to enjoy Dolby Vision content, you need high rates of brightness, and this is where the VU Cinema TV doesn't disappoint. Absolutely brilliant. If you are a Netflix buff, you are in for a treat with this TV. Moving to Amazon Prime. Just like Netflix, the interface is clean and easy to use. Let's play a video. So the video is playing smoothly. Prime Videos also has some content in 4K and that plays well on the VU TV. You can access and change subtitles very easily using the TV remote. Play Store is also available to download your favorite apps and games, though you won't find as many apps and games as you find on your phone, but the collection is decent and growing. Chromecast comes built in since this is an Android TV, so you can cast and control videos directly from your mobile phone. Here is a quick demo.
So to cast a video, I'm going to do is go to my YouTube app. Click on the Chromecast icon on the top right. You're going to see VU TV here, and you're going to see YouTube on the TV's display, and make sure the TV and the phone both are on the same Wi-Fi network. Click on the video you want to play on the TV, click play, and there you go. The video starts playing, and if you want, you can pause the video from here. You can play the video from here. You can go ahead. You can go back. You can control the video directly from your phone.
So finally, how is the VU Cinema TV? Almost perfect. Not perfect because no TV is, but this one is really close. If I had to nitpick, 1.5 GB of RAM and 8 GB internal storage is little less. At least 2 GB and 16 GB internal would have been great. However, 1.5 GB of RAM didn't seem to be laggy and it was extremely responsive. Not complaining. The display is its biggest plus, and we all know it's eventually the most important thing when it comes to the TVs. I also used it briefly to watch content from set-top box and it looked really nice. Now most of the channels I watch are full HD, so they're well tuned for this huge screens, but even the HD channels weren't that bad. Definitely loss in detail, but very little can be done when you're watching 480p HD channels on a 4K display. But still they're quite viewable. At least make sure you have 5-6 feet of distance between you and the TV to get the optimal viewing experience. However, as usual, I highly recommend you get an HD set-top box. Trust me, it'll be worth it. View has also a 24/7 customer care that can guide you if you need any assistance. That's superb. View has been in the market longer than any of the budget TVs we are seeing in the market today, and they just got the pricing right. The 50-inch 4K Android TV 9 is priced at $29,999. It might not be cheaper than the competitors, but with 40 watts built-in soundbar, it definitely ranks above the rest. If you're looking for that big 4K TV with big sound, the Cinema TV is easily recommended. View has also launched the 43-inch 4K and the 55-inch 4K Cinema TVs. I'll leave the links for all in the description. If you'd like to buy one, do check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback, or if there are any questions regarding the View TV, do mention them down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.